Hey there, fabulous. Let's be real. Who else has Googled how to make my hair grow faster at 2 a.m.? Don't worry, you're not alone. We've all been there, desperately trying to decode the secret to perfect, long, healthy hair. Whether it's frizz that makes you look like you've been electrocuted, dandruff snowing on your shoulders, or hair that just won't grow past your shoulders no matter how much you beg. This video is for you. Today, we're diving into some real talk about hair care, scalp love, and all the tips you need to give your hair its best life. Let's get started. One of the queens of France, celebrated for her stunning hair, swore by this practice. She had her maid brush each of the 4 sections of her hair 100 times every day. Yes, 100. This consistent brushing routine helped her hair grow thick, strong, and luxurious, retaining its youthful glow throughout her life. After all, when you brush your hair that much, you're stimulating blood flow to your scalp every single day. And that can only mean better results for your hair's health and growth. Hot oil treatments don't just coat your hair. They work from the root down. When you massage that warm oil into your scalp, it's like sending an invitation to your hair follicles to wake up and get to work. The massage boosts blood circulation to the nerves under your scalp, which encourages hair growth. But wait, there's more. Hot oil treatments are transformative for your hair. They reduce breakage, strengthen the cuticle, and even help with hair loss. It's like giving your strands the care they need to bounce back from damage and look their absolute best. In fact, some experts call it the Botox for hair. Why? Because it restores shine, smoothness, and vitality. Now, if you're dealing with dandruff, hot oil treatment helps, but only if your dandruff is caused by dryness. If it's caused by a fungus, yep, gross but true, you'll need a different solution. Now, how do you actually do a hot oil treatment? It's pretty simple, but there are some rules. First off, don't make the oil too hot. You're doing a treatment, not cooking a stir-fry. Test it on your wrist before slathering it on your scalp. If it's too hot for your skin, it's too hot for your hair. Next, always apply a little oil to wet hair. Why? Because after washing, wet hair opens up the cuticle, and your hair is like, yes, give me all the nutrients. It absorbs the oil much better this way. After your hair dries, take a small amount of oil and apply it to the ends. Grab a wooden comb to evenly distribute the oil along your hair, ensuring every strand is nourished. And here's a tip for my thin-haired folks. Don't overdo it. A little goes a long way. You don't want to look like you dipped your head in a frying pan. If you're dealing with hair problems, the ultimate solution is to increase blood flow to the area. And what works better than a derma roller for that? But how it is work. Much like microneedling done at a dermatologist's office, using a derma roller at home creates tiny micro tears in the scalp. These micro-injuries trigger the brain to kickstart the healing process, sending increased blood flow and collagen to the area to repair and rejuvenate the scalp. Avoid going over the same area repeatedly, and give your scalp time to fully heal before using the derma roller again. Think of the derma roller as your scalp's secret weapon, creating tiny micro tears to boost blood flow and collagen production. But before you get started, let's choose the right one and learn how to use it properly. How to pick the right derma roller. There are tons of derma rollers out there, but here's the secret. The size of the needles matters. They range from 0.2 millimeters, gentle and beginner-friendly, to 1.5 millimeters, for the hardcore enthusiasts. Stick with the smaller ones for home use. Here is a list. For you, your scalp doesn't need a full construction crew. How to use a derma roller for hair regrowth. Using it is simple, but it's not a toy, so handle it with care. Focus on the scalp and roll it in 3 directions, horizontally, vertically, and diagonally. It's like covering all angles for maximum impact. Don't overdo it twice a week is all you need. Any more and your scalp might wave a white flag asking for mercy. Let it rest, heal, and do its magic. You'll see the results soon enough. Avoid using a derma roller if you have active skin infections, eczema, or severe rosacea. I do everything I can to make my hair grow more and grow long, using all the traditional proven ways. But no matter how much effort I put in, my hair still gets super frizzy sometimes. The only thing that saves me during those times is conditioner. Start using conditioner. It's my ultimate weapon against frizz. Conditioning keeps my hair smooth, soft, and manageable while locking in all that much-needed moisture. Finding the best conditioner for your hair is important, and it all depends on your hair type. Here's a quick guide to make it easier. Cream Rinse Conditioner. For fine or straight hair, this is a lightweight option that won't weigh your hair down. It nourishes without making your hair feel flat. Leave-in conditioner. Perfect for curly, dry, damaged, fine, textured, or color-treated hair. This one you leave in and let it work its magic throughout the day. It's light, but packs a punch when it comes to hydration. Deep conditioner. Thicker and richer, deep conditioners are great for curly, coily, or color-treated hair. They provide intense moisture and help repair your hair, giving it that soft, healthy feel. Give your hair the love it deserves. Nurture it, pamper it, and let it shine. Whether it's battling frizz or boosting growth, a little care goes a long way. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video, because great hair days should be for everyone. See you next time.